welcome. Today is day 2 of TikTok content challenge, and today I want to answer a question that has been on my DM for the past 1 month now, and I decided to answer it in this challenge. So the question goes like, bro, how do I start video editing, or how do I learn video editing 2025? So alright, quickly, I'll give you a guide to learn video editing as fast as possible 2025. So if you're meeting me for the first time, my name is Prince Daniel, and I'm a creative person. First of all, learning video in 2025 shouldn't be that much hard, because now AI is involved. Yeah, it's not that hard again, because you can now do a lot with AI. So let's take a look at my journey as a video editor. I started video editing, was it 2018? I started learning 2018, but I didn't take it that much serious then until 2021, when I took it as a full-time job. Started making films. So let's take a look at some of my videos back then in 2021. Then I was working in the church. Yeah, so I shot this particular video in the church.
We thank God everything is moving well. Everything is wonderful. We see the glory of God in full force.
From there, I shot a comedy skit. This particular comedy skit, I shot it back then in 2021.
Are you ready? Wait here. Cover me. Wait here. Cover me. Wait here. The landlord is coming, and I'm going the landlord. Cover me. Tell the landlord, say I know day for house. Tell him, say I travel. You hear me?
And let me tell you, all these videos that I'll be shooting, all these videos that I just showed you now, I shot it with my phone. Then it was Samsung A something though that I was using there. So I shot them with my phone. And fast forward to 2025, I decided to challenge 2024, sorry. I decided to do something different from what I've been doing. I just decided to shoot a movie, to shoot a complete ghetto movie with a smartphone. So let's take a look at the trailer of this particular movie and let me know what you think. Remember, I'll answer your question, but I want you to watch this first. So the trailer of this particular movie that I shot.
Even now, Zob family property. You lap your family. Blue my family problem. My work now. Winter!
Then if it's the code, it's the problem. First of all, then I have a suggestion.
What's the reason with me?
We need to hire a hacker. 100 over 100 hacker.
I want that one to die. I don't want the community to know say I'm making them.
It's all of the march now, eh? It's all of the march.
Yes, boss.
Well, make sure say me see today my last day.
Boss. I don't track where them days. Back nation. I don't confirm one.
You say? What you the reason give me? Say what happen?
I don't track Spark Nation where they day.
One thing that I say I want to discuss with you is concerning your brother's son. What plan did you have about him?
Spark! Spark, what's up? I know say you dream me now. You can ferment that.
Chief, I'm not here to banter words with you. I'm here to take what belongs to me.
What belongs to you?
And that is why we are still alive.
I'm the street and I am here to run my street. This guy just come the hit me.
Yes, say the Jones.
mention the food.
I don't know.
This is what you say, Abi.
Please.
This is what you play for you, Abi.
Please, I'm begging, please.
I no go waste you, but I go say you're kidding me. First son,
100.
Plamenta, what is gift to me is what I give to you.
100.
Do it! What the song? If you want buy me,
Okay, so you have watched that short teaser from the movie. I shot that movie, was it on September 2024? And I shot this movie. I didn't just do it because I feel like it would be the best. I did it because I want to challenge myself to create something. You know, I love challenging myself, learning new things. So I just decided to shoot this video, full video, was about 2 hours plus movie. I shot it with iPhone. I used the iPhone 12 Pro Max and with the iPhone SR. So it's a combination of iPhone 12 Pro Max and SR. So that's what I used to shoot the movie. And when shooting it, I didn't feel it that much. But after the editing, I now know that this movie is nice. So then people, when we now edit the video, finish, post it on YouTube, people were liking the movie. And most of my friends, if I told them that I shot this complete movie with iPhone, most of them don't believe me. But that is it. But I didn't know, because I didn't feel the vibe that much. And what made this video what it is because of the editing. That is now where I'll answer your question. Learning video editing is not hard, but it's hard because what it requires you is your time and your consistency. First of all, when learning, make sure to learn one thing at a time. Don't try to learn how to cut and join at the same time, how to add sound effects. It will confuse you. It will make you confused. You will not learn anything while doing that. And secondly, choose one platform at a time. If you want to start with Adobe Premiere Pro, stick to Adobe Premiere Pro until you learn it and become professional with it. I will tell you, I started using I tried DaVinci Resolve. That was 2023. That's when I started trying. I have been editing with Premiere Pro since. That's what I used to learn. So if you are editing on mobile, you can start with InShot, CapCut, and stick to it. Make sure you are perfect in that particular app before going to another one. So if you go online, you watch 1 hour tutorials, use like 2 hours to learn that particular thing that you have watched, practical. And if you do like that, within some months, with help of AI, you can definitely learn how to edit video perfectly. That's all I will tell you for now. And before I forget, I'm organizing a video editing course. I'm putting together all my experience for the past years, where you can learn how to edit video, whether from your smartphone or laptop, whatever. So I'm putting it together and it will be ready soon. And when it's ready, I will announce it, and I would like you to join so that we'll learn together. Yeah. If either you want to start afresh or you're already a video editor and you want to, learn some of my tricks, then you can join. So thanks for having you today, and I would like to see you tomorrow. Yeah, and don't forget to go and subscribe to my YouTube channel. You can use the link on my bio from TikTok to go and subscribe there, or check the link in this video description to join and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to like this video, share with your friends, and drop a comment. Let me know what you think. Thank you, and see you next time. Stay creative, stay consistent, and stay winning.